Hello guys, welcome to the Bitcoin information. Today I'm gonna explain you what is cryptocurrency. Just simply explain. So let's get started. A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that can be used to buy goods and services, but uses an online ledger with a strong cryptography to secure online transaction. So we basically know cryptocurrency are completely decentralized network based on blockchain technology. Who created cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency created in 2009 by a programmer Satoshi Nakamoto who lives in Japan. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency coin. Right now, 9,000 plus cryptocurrency available in the world. So some popular cryptocurrency are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Cardano, Doji. So I think you can understand right now what is cryptocurrency. So if you want to more video like that, you can subscribe my channel for next video. Thank you so much.